Look at the water in the dryer vent. You think it doesn't work? That's nuts. Are you still videoing?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that crazy? And that didn't even capture all the water that we lost already.
Nope.
Wow. And I'm sure there's more. It just depends on the elevation of the line.
Yeah.
All right.